I am at the place in Medina with my very good friend Andrea, and we are talking fireplaces today. Andrea, thanks for having me out.
Absolutely.
We are so excited. Judy and I have had a fireplace. We haven't used it for years, and it's all about to change. Tell us about the place in Fireplaces. You have 24 working models here.
We do, because what's a fireplace if it's just sitting there cold and dark and not burning, right? So we have them here so that people can come and actually see what they look like when they're in their home.
Well, let's do this. Let's take a virtual tour of what you have here at the place because there's so many different ones. Just talk us through, okay?
Okay.
Let's start with the fireplace that is right behind us right now, okay?
Sure. This is a direct vent fireplace, Len. So the beauty of this is that it takes the air to burn from outside instead of taking the air that you've already heated from your house and suck it up the chimney. So this takes the air from outside, and all that you get into your room is beauty and heat.
Now, what I think is so interesting is how realistic fires and everything looks. I've never seen anything like it.
They're gorgeous, aren't they?
Yeah.
And the nice thing about it is it's all with the flip of a switch or pushing a remote button. There's no wood to chop, carry in, no debris that you bring in with wood. It's all natural gas.
Now, I'm kind of into the classic look, but you have some really modern fireplaces here. So if we want to go kind of wild and it fits your decor, tell us about some of those fireplaces.
Oh, the technology is just over the top now. So you can have it with glass inside, different colored glass. You can have backlighting, LEDs.
You've got one here that's really, really interesting. You say it's the latest technology. The fire just looks like it's roaring and blazing, and there's no glass doors in that one.
Right. So if someone wants the open hearth look, they can have it and still have an efficient fireplace. So it's a direct vent unit, but without having the glass in front. So it's all open.
My wife is so excited. I picture her in just a few weeks in front of the television with one of those Hallmark Christmas movies on, with the fireplace on. I mean, this is the best thing we can do. We're so excited.
Yeah. The fireplace is supposed to be the heart of the home.
Yes,
right?
yes. Ours is a disaster right now.
Right, when
so.
you're like shoving a pillow in front of it, or towels, or taping over.
Yeah, it's no good.
It takes away something from it.
So stop by, visit the place. Make sure you say hi to Andrea and the whole team here. I wouldn't recommend any other place to get your fireplace. 24 working fireplaces on display. You have to come check it out, or maybe just stop by my house because we'll have one in real soon.
Have the hot chocolate out.
That's right. We'll be ready. We'll be welcoming. Andrea, I just appreciate you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Len.